And again, just like we roll apply all of our other materials, most of these materials are all designed to be rolled on at 15 to 20 mils. You can get a little more than that on the verticals, but that's about the most they'll hold on the, I'm sorry, on the horizontal, but that's about as much as they'll hold on the verticals. But this utilizes a smaller flake finish. It's more economical than putting those two coats troweled on, so you have one coat you can spray on or roll it on. So it's a little faster a system. And its limitation is it's not good as high, the temperature restriction is the biggest difference. Yes, this would be good up to maybe 160 to 170, where that's good to 200 to 210. We say 200, but as you've seen in our testing, we had a lot of them at 210. But we'd rather be a little conservative because sometimes their operating conditions aren't exactly perfect either. And again, you just want to stay away from the base coat. So you could pick up as you leave off tomorrow morning or whenever you do it. And of course, you don't have to worry about feathering edges on a coating other than having a big little pile over there. And that's your finished product. Okay. And what kind of millage do we have there?
Why did you do your jeans?
It's hard to see.
Can't tell? You want a rag?
We're just over 3, between 3 and 4.
Yeah, that doesn't sound right. It's hard to put it on that then. Are you reading?
I'm just trying to make. About 9 to 10.
Well, we want a little heavier than that, actually. Let's apply a little more. See what you have there now.
Just on 12.
Okay. Check it again.
Between 20 and 22.
Yeah, we want at least 15, 15 to 20 is the range we look for. So 20 to 22 is certainly adequate.